Have you ever seen search results like this, where some listings show star ratings, product details, or FAQs, and wondered how they do it? Well, those fancy results are powered by Schema Markup or structured data, and that's what we are diving into today. Hello and welcome back to another episode of SEO Unplugged. I am Ashish Nabar from Snippets Digital, your digital marketing partner for small and local businesses across India. Today's topic looks technical, but once you understand it, it becomes your secret SEO weapon. Stay with me till the end of this video, and I will show you what Schema Markup is, how it helps your SEO, the different types you can use, and even how to set it up yourself. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Schema Markup? In simple terms, a schema is a special code you add to your website to help search engines better understand what your content is about. Think of it like labeling everything on your website, like saying, "Hey Google, this is a product," or "This is a review," or "This is your business address." Search engines like Google use this markup to create rich snippets, those eye-catching search results with extra info like price, ratings, FAQs, and more. Schema is a part of a global vocabulary called schema.org, which is supported by all major search engines: Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others. The best part, Schema doesn't change the way your site looks to the visitors. It's hidden inside your site's code, but it works wonders behind the scenes. Now you might be thinking, okay, it's an extra code, but does it really matter for SEO? Absolutely. Schema can be a game changer. Here is how Schema helps your website's SEO. Number one, it enhances search appearances. Schema adds rich details like product price, ratings, business hours, FAQs, and more, making your listing pop in search results. Second, it improves click-through rates, CTR. A more attractive listing means users are more likely to click your link over others, even if you are not ranked number one. Thirdly, it helps Google understand your site better by clearly defining content types like recipes, events, reviews, and products. You are literally speaking Google's language. Fourth, eligibility for search results. With proper schema, your content is eligible to show rich results like features, snippets, carousels, and more. And if you are running a local business, product-based brand, or blog, this can make a real difference in how you are discovered online. At Snippets Digital, we use schema especially for clients like rural entrepreneurs, small business owners, and local traders because visibility at the right place matters. Schema isn't a one-size-fits-all. There are many types, each made for specific purpose. Let me walk you through the most relevant ones, especially for small businesses, creators, and rural entrepreneurs. Local business schema. If you run a physical store, farm, clinic, or any location-based business, this is a must. It includes your address, contact info, map, location, and opening hours, making it easier for people nearby to find and trust you. Product schema. Selling products like household items, packaged foods, or consumer goods. This schema displays your product's price, availability, and even ratings directly in Google search. FAQ schema. If you answer common questions on your site like how to use your products or what the special technology in your product is about, you can show those FAQs right in search results using this markup. Article or blog post schema. Got a blog or article section? This schema helps Google index it correctly and display it with more details like publish date, author, and a featured image. Review and aggregate ratings. These add user reviews and average ratings to your product or service, boosting trust and click-throughs. And that's just the beginning. There are over 30 schema types, including for events, recipes, courses, software apps, and more. But these 5 are the ones you should focus on first. This schema build your solid foundation, especially if you are starting with SEO or digital visibility. Now that we know what schema markups are and why they are important, let's tackle the how. How do you add them to your website? There are 2 options. Option 1, without code, using WordPress plugins. If your website is on WordPress, the easiest way is through plugins. I use a free plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. It lets you paste schema markup directly into your site's header without touching any theme files. Just copy your schema script like LocalBusiness or product and paste it in the header section. Want more automation? Try dedicated schema plugins like Schema and Structured Data for WP and AMP, Yoast SEO, Rank Math. This has built-in schema tools. They come with ready templates for FAQs, products, recipes, and more. Just fill in your details. Option 2 is with code or manual method. If you are comfortable with coding or your website is custom made, you can manually insert JSON LD scripts directly into your site's head section. This method gives you a full control. You can tweak, test, and add multiple schema types without being limited by plugin settings. But always remember to validate your markup using Google's rich results. Whether you use plugins or code, keep your schema accurate, up to date, and consistent with your page content. Because if you mislead Google with false info, your site might lose eligibility for rich results. So choose the method that suits your skill level and website setup. There is no one right way, just the smart way. Now, adding schema is only half the job. Real power lies in testing and monitoring it. Let's explore the free tools that help you do that efficiently. The first is Google Rich Results Test. This is your first checkpoint. Just paste your website URL or your raw schema code and click test. Google will tell you if your page is eligible for rich results and highlight any errors or warning. It is also great for testing drafts before pushing them live. Schema Markup Validator by schema.org. This one's from the creators of schema.org. It focuses purely on structured data compliance. Unlike Google's test, it doesn't care about rich results, but checks if your schema follows a proper JSON LD format. This is handy for debugging custom code. Google Search Console. Once your page is live and indexed, check the Enhancement tab in the Google Search Console. Here, you will see how Google interprets your schema. If it finds valid structured data like product or FAQs, it will show you impressions, errors, and performance metrics over time. Use these tools together. Rich Results Test is for pre-launch validation. Markup Validator is for code hygiene. And Google Search Console is for real-time performance. This 3-step approach keeps your schema working smoothly and helps your site stay optimized for Google's evolving standards. Think of it as a SEO health checker. Keep your structured data in shape and your rankings will thank you. Now, Let's quickly summarize what we covered in this video. We understood what schema markup is and why it is important. We explored different types like local business, product, FAQ schema, learned how to generate and implement them step by step, and finally discovered how to test and monitor them using free tools. Schema markup is not just code, it's a conversation with search engines. When done right, it boosts visibility, engagement, and trust. Whether you run a local business, e-commerce site, or a personal blog, structured data can give you extra edge on Google search. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with others exploring SEO. And hey, check out the full playlist of my SEO Unplugged series for more practical real-world tips. Have questions or want me to cover a specific SEO topic in the next episode? Drop in the comments below. I reply to everyone.